Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. And Salam Malaysia Badani. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of PCSS and APTT, I would like to welcome everyone on this highly anticipated webinar on human AI collaboration, a synergistic partnership. Thank you for joining us today. This webinar is organized by Association of Professional Technician and Technologists, APTT. I'm Rosmah Binti Wahab, moderator and host for today's session. And before we begin, I would like to introduce today's presenter, Technologist Mahentaran Nagarajan. Technologist Mahentaran Nagarajan is currently serving as Senior Project Engineer at the Astro Measat Broadcast Network System. He obtained Bachelor degree in Computer Science from Nilai University in July 2017. And he was Broadcast Infra Engineer at Astro Measat Broadcast Network System from August 2017 to April 2022. Okay. He holds several certifications and numerous skills includes ITIL V4 Foundation, AI Generative Certifications, Cybersecurity in Cloud Computing, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Project Management Essential, Project Management Experience, Six Sigma Yellow Belt, and Scrum Fundamentals. Okay. Technologists Mahentaran very excellent in project management, agile and Scrum methodology, risk management, good in team leadership, budget and cost control, stakeholder communication, data center infrastructure, change management, and problem-solving skills. His excellence in project management has brought him successfully delivered several projects, includes network infrastructure upgrade, data center migrations, cybersecurity enhancements, cloud migration, software development project, IT infrastructure standardizations, business continuity planning, and IT vendor management. Okay, everyone. Without a doubt, TS Mahentaran is a great person, and today's session will be a very interesting topic to talk about. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, for those of you just joining us, welcome to today's webinar, Human AI Collaboration, a Synergistic Partnership, that will be presented by TS Mahentaran Nagarajan. Okay, before that, our tentative for this session will include presentation by TS Mahentaran Nagarajan, followed by Q&A session, conclusion and final words from presenter, certificate ceremony, and lastly, photo session. So, before we get started, just a little housekeeping and friendly reminder. Microphone should be muted at all times. Switch off your camera and recording are not allowed. If you have any question during the presentation, please type your question in the chat box so that our tentative going smoothly and we can minimize the distraction. Our team will compile all questions and we will bring it up at the end of the session. So let's get into it. We will turn the time over to our presenter, TS Mahentaran Nagarajan. Please, thank you.
Okay, thanks, dear Rosmah. Let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, right. Thank you. Okay, good evening, everyone. Special thanks to APTT for this great opportunity to share knowledge in webinar series 2024 with everyone here virtually. I'll be sharing insights on human AI collaboration, and I'll try to make this session more interactive, and we'll have a discussion at the end of the presentation. Okay. these are the objectives that we will be achieving today, starting with a brief introduction and types of human AI collaboration, some case studies, real world example case studies, and also some advantages and also challenging due to this collaboration. So we'll start with the introduction first. So let me first explain what is an AI and collaborative intelligence in a very simpler term. Okay, so first, AI alone is actually something that created or programmed, we can call programmed by human to replicate human cognitive functions. For an example, those days we have invented machines to replace human effort and energy to do a certain task, but it won't have the capability to think or decide. But AI, it has the capability to perform tasks typically requires human intelligence. Okay, so what is a collaborative intelligence is it's a concept of bringing together these two unique strength of human and also AI to create more powerful solutions to the world and society. Okay, next we'll see what are the type of human AI collaboration. First, I'll go through some example of this. So the first will be assistive, where AI will assist human. So human is performing some task and AI will help them to make it more simpler. Okay, the second one is autonomous. AI and human works independent, and then it will be the result will be integrated together later on. Okay. The third one is augmented collaboration, where AI actually enhances human capabilities. For an example, we can take healthcare. AI can assist doctor in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images, while human expertise is crucial in interpreting nuanced patient information and providing personalized care plans. Okay. So the last one will be the one we're going to discuss today, which is the collaborative system, where both of the synergy will work together to create best result in a real time. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the very famous question among us nowadays, where people being question if AI will entirely replace us soon. Okay. So I'll try to answer this question in a simpler way. Okay, we have two AI models system being used widely, which is one is open system and also closed system. So let's go to the closed system first. Closed system AI models is actually the models, the codes, and the data will be kept in private, and it's very much less transparency. But okay, closed AI, it's something like it really restricts external access. For an example, we have Apple's help Siri, right? Okay, so it has the underlying technology which is not accessible or customizable by external developers or users. We can only use that. We can't be integrating or we can't be developing anything out of that. Okay, so the next the other one, OpenAI models. Okay, we have a OpenAI model data and code which is kept in public for external user or developer to hands on. For example, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT literally provides, for those who knows, provides API integration for its language capabilities. For that, we can get the API to integrate on our projects to even create our own chatbot. Okay, for those who don't know this, please do some research on this. You can get API from ChatGPT and you can use for your own projects because it's open source and it's available online. Okay, so the conclusion will be AI might be a complex system that is powerful and it has a lot of potential, but still it's lacking of those fields that I mentioned there, which is the creativity, emotional intelligence, contextual understanding, common sense, adaptability, ethics, intuition, etc. So all these things we can replicate into AI. So we do need human for this part. So if you ask me, we might not get replaced by AI, but some of the role that currently we are doing widely, that might be obsolete, and it has the potency to get replaced by different role. Maybe we can get create a new opportunity rather than replacing us. Okay. Okay, this will be some real world case studies. I have a short video to explain this in further. Let me play the video. Okay.
In automotive manufacturing, AI can automate assembly lines, improve quality, and predict maintenance needs. This not only boosts efficiency, but also enhances the safety and quality of the vehicles produced. In agriculture, AI can help farmers monitor crop health, automate irrigation, and optimize harvest schedules. This leads to increased yields, reduced waste, and more sustainable farming practices. In healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatment plans, and monitoring patient health. This results in better patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare delivery. In the hospital industry, AI can automate booking systems, provide personalized recommendations to guests, optimize resource allocation. This enhances the guest experience and improves the operational efficiency. In the food and beverage industry, AI can manage inventory, predict sales, and automate order processing. This reduces waste, boosts sales, and improves customer service. In electronics, AI can automate assembly processes, improve quality control, and optimize supply chains. This leads to faster production time, higher quality products, and more efficient operations. In the emerging technologies, AI is at the forefront, driving innovation in areas like renewable energy, biotechnology, and quantum computing. The possibilities are endless.
Okay, those are some of the real world case studies that being used currently in all the fields. Okay, the next we'll see on the advantages of this collaboration. So I will give example for each one of it. Okay, the first will be the creativity and efficiency. Okay, we can even see in some of our let's take Adobe, or we can use graphic designer as our example. Actually, we have AI tool that assists graphic designers. It actually analyze initial sketches and generate alternative design options, incorporating different styles and details. Okay, you just need to type in your prompt, and then it will generate design based on the designer requirements. Okay, the next one, it will be interaction. The AI-based interaction will be like a virtual assistant that can perform tasks like appointment booking or reservation, or making reservations through phone calls or chatbot. We can even see this in the Asia. We can use the chatbot to do our booking. We can do refund. We can cancel our booking. We can schedule to different time. Okay. So the third one will be decision making, where it's being used in Rolls-Royce. Okay, AI technology using by the engine manufacturer Rolls-Royce to monitor engine performance, predict maintenance requirements. So it will be alert you in case you need to change your tires or whatever needed. It's all through sensors embedded in the engine with the real-time data on the temperature, tire pressure, and the vibration. Okay, so it all be collected and analyzed using AI algorithm. And the fourth one will be scalability. Okay, as we all know, companies are employing AI they are deploying AI to improve scalability, particularly those relying on manual labor in a massive way. Like we have a moderator, we have AI moderator now, we have content monetization. So we do have currently we can see we have a recruitment system which manages a large pool of application and performs efficient candidate shortlisting. So it means the AI will filter out those who are qualified rather than a manual task. A human being go through a large pool of applications, and then they need to handle the workload alone. So you just put everything in the AI, and then AI will filter out, and then they give the best minimum of output. And from there, maybe it requires human effort to shortlist a candidate. Okay, these will be some of the advantages. Okay, and the most important part here is the challenges. Okay, these are some of the drawbacks and challenges associated with the human AI collaboration. First, definitely will be data privacy. It has integrating AI often involves sharing sensitive data. That means it has the potential of misusing of personal information as more user data being input to AI. Okay, AI system can be vulnerable to attacks, resulting massive amount of user data will be exposed to risk. Okay, the moment we are connected to the internet, ourself and also our data that we input in the internet are no longer safe. We should be smart enough to know what we input to the internet. We are giving out to the world, and we need to categorize what should be posted, what shouldn't be posted. Because it consists our sensitive data as well. Okay. The second is the communication barriers, which is the communication between robot and also a human must be able to better explain to human that what cannot be done, what can be do, as well as what they actually do, right? So AI conveys information in a way that is understandable to human is crucial. Like we program AI, but when it's come to we program the intelligent, but when it comes to AI, it need to have clear-cut communication, and they have to work along together to achieve a certain result. Okay, and the third one is the ethical consideration, determining the ethical implication of AI decision and action, especially critical area like healthcare or finance requires careful consideration. So as we all know, healthcare, finance, it handles patient life, it handle patients, customers' money. So it requires humans effort more and that rather than AI. So we need to have this consideration where we can have this AI and up to what limit this AI can handle this data involving, especially in healthcare. Okay, and the third one, the fourth one is the trust and understanding. So establishing trust between a human and AI is very crucial. It really takes time to develop trust, even more in the technology when it's dynamic and continuously evolving. So a more focused approach is needed to educate users on the AI capability and its impact on the future jobs to boost the trust in the technology. So because the AI is created by us is correct to some extent. So it will take time for us to put the trust wholly to a programmed system on our data that we are expecting a result from. Okay, so okay, this will be my conclusion. Okay, this collaborative approach rather than placing human intelligence, enhancing decision making, boost efficiency, enable customization. So basically what I would like to conclude here is the most effective application often involve a collaboration approach where AI complements human skills rather than aiming to replace them entirely. Okay, we need to work together rather than you have one these both to work alone. Okay, maybe you can put like AI can focus on analyzing the quantitative aspects, and human can focus on qualitative aspect. Thus, we can create a collaborative outcome. And adapting human and AI collaboration establish a win-win scenario where human and AI work together to unlock extraordinary opportunities and achieve a remarkable outcome in various industries. Right? Thank you. That's all.
Okay. Thank you very much, Technologist Mahentaran Nagarajan. I hope you all enjoyed this amazing and great presentation. Now we will go ahead and take some time for Q&A session. Just a reminder again, please be sure to type your question into the question box in your control panel. Okay. Any questions? Hi, Belle, are you there? I didn't see any question in the chat box. Okay. Okay, question number 1. Wait. Okay, question number 1. It's from, I don't see the name. How do you find the growth of AI utilization in Malaysia? Are we ready to head towards Society 5.0?
Okay. The growth of AI utilization in Malaysia is still not up to what outsiders are doing, but there are some main industries, main field already approaching to this AI utilization. So maybe I've seen now security camera companies being utilizing AI to monitor constructions. So the AI program is integrated with CCTV. It's a kind of CCTV where it actually track the construction progress. So this is already implemented in Malaysia, and we are actually moving toward it, but it's I guess it will still take time.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yep.
Okay, question number 2 from Mr. Isham. What ethical challenges may arise in the integration of AI with human decision-making process?
Okay, ethical challenges, as I said, let's take healthcare. Okay, healthcare, as we all know, it requires a very precise, skillful doctor. Let's say we can take surgery, for example. So we need a touch of doctor to a surgeon to make a good surgery, right? Okay, so let's say a surgery being done by an AI which is being programmed. Okay, so we can't be relying 100%. We can't be sure yet. I mean, in current situation, we can't be relying solely on the AI programmed whether this AI can take good decision or not, because it has the capability of thinking, but not up to human. Because it doesn't have any emotion, it doesn't have any feelings, it doesn't know about pain. So when it involves lives, it involves, as I shown just now, it involves finance, money. So it's better to have more human effort than AI for some time until we get the trust with AI, like we have the good bond with AI in future.
Okay, thank you. Okay, maybe this is the last question, I guess, from Muhammad F. Usually, AI is utilized based on data available, and those data are unfiltered, meaning not confirmed. If it is factual, accurate, and consistent, is there such practice made by AI programmers to prevent wrong data from being used?
Okay, let's go back to my slide on open AI model and also closed AI model. So when we have open model where the data is from the user, it means it can be anyone. It's from the public. Okay, when it's same like how we use ChatGPT, whatever you are asking to ChatGPT is something that is being input by the public. So it can be wrong, it can be correct, but when it comes to a certain solution that being used by a private company or private field, so they will develop some sort of AI that competent to their internal closed system. So when it comes to that way, they'll input a data that is correct. They have to do that because it's in the closed system. So it's good to know this difference on the open AI and also closed AI. Okay, so but AI programmers, okay, when it comes to AI programmers, even on AI programmers, you can see that when the solution is being built for a company, then you know how the data should be input in. The data should be accurate. The data should be precise. So rather than you are developing, let's say an AI programmer are developing a chatbot or any open source software, maybe it won't have this transparency. It won't have the privacy. So it has the potential of being wrong data to be input in the model.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Any more questions? Okay, maybe one last question from me. I'm
Yeah.
from construction industry, sir. So what I know about AI construction industry, I guess a lot of us from industry in this session, AI construction industry, IBS, industrialized building system, QA/QC. What can we relate and what can we improve with AI and construction industry now? Sir.
Okay, I've read something about this road patchwork. Okay, so they have this AI solution, AI software. It's been deployed with integration of the map. Okay, it's integration of map. So this what the map will do is it will scan the road and then it will tell you how thick is the tar and how good is the road condition, that what you need to do. Okay, it will definitely tell you that it has the pothole, you need to do some patchwork, and it can identify the patchwork, I mean the pothole and also the road size and everything. So for me, implementing AI on this construction, you can use it in many ways because it involves massive labor. Okay, you need maybe a few hundred people for construction. When it involves a lot of people, it's good to have this kind of idea where I just told you, like an example, identifying this pothole on the road, which is if you assign this task to a person or a group of person, it will take time. So whichever, when it comes to construction, we need to build it fast, but we need to do it correct. So, and it requires more money, it requires more people. So when you apply this kind of AI solution into this field, it can eventually help you to make things faster, but it's a more accurate result.
Oh, okay.
Right?
So still got two last question. How from Rizahan, how is artificial intelligence utilized in the broadcasting industry in Malaysia?
Okay, AI in Malaysia. Okay, AI in Malaysia, they using it for content moderator, as a content moderator. So we know we have TikTok, we have Instagram. So we do need a content moderator, right? Human effort to censor unwanted content, hate speech, and all these things. So what our local, our broadcaster is doing now is they are more focused on, even in MCMC, we do have AI replacing, not to say replace, it's somehow helping human to eventually go through this, your content in social media to filter it out. So more on the, like, it's a kind of censorship.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess this is the real last question lah from Mr. Shashikumar A. How can AI be leveraged in the banking industry to enhance customer experience, streamline operation, and improve overall financial security? How much of AI is accepted and considered safe in the banking industry?
Okay, when it comes to banking industry, which involves money, it's good to have, like, okay, we do have bank, we have vault that contains money, but now we do have less people. Like when it comes to bank, they won't be people touching money all the time. Okay, we have the bankers and everything. So it's good to, if you want to make it like safe, it's good to have AI work along with the human in certain parts. You can't be handling only AI because AI based on programmed. So we can't be doing everything in AI. Let's say withdrawal, right? So let's take withdrawal. Okay, let's say you want to withdraw a certain amount, and then it's a kind of AI identification that allows you to withdraw some sort of money. So we can't be solely relying on the AI, where, because this AI can be duplicated, we don't know how secure is that. Okay, so because it doesn't have a human effort on this, because we already fully depending on AI. So when it comes to, maybe in the future, maybe we can solely depend on AI, but for current situation, maybe when you integrated AI with this withdrawal, but maybe you can have the first level with AI, and then let's say for the approval, you need a human to get you an approval, like a signature or something, that unique identification. Because now, yes, we do have this one-time OTP and everything, but all this, it's secure, but still we do have some crime going on, right? We have scam, we have everything. So crime, if you can compare last time to now, we can see the crime increases even when the security increases, because people been thinking how to bypass the banking system to get money from people. So it's good to have like maybe two level of security, one security from the AI, one more is from the human itself, giving out this unique identification. I hope it answers. If it doesn't, then I'll take it in person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. I guess I want to ask some question. No. Okay, sir. It's look like we have covered all subtopic and questions. TS Mahentaran, is there anything else you wanted to cover before we wrap up?
That's all for now. In case anyone wants to discuss more on this, but they couldn't just now, they can contact me in LinkedIn. I'll put down my link below, and they can contact me regarding this or whatever they want to discuss, or they have any questions that they couldn't answer just now, they can contact me through my LinkedIn.
Okay, we appreciate that. So next, it is, I would like to invite Chairman, Association of Professional Technician and Technologies, APTT IR, TS Ahmad Zawawi, to present the certificate to our presenter, TS Mahentaran Nagarajan. Okay. So this is the certificate of appreciations to TS Mahentaran Nagarajan for imparting his phenomenal and valuable insight of topic human AI collaboration as synergistic partnership. Okay, our last session, photo session, and before we wrap up, I would like to invite everybody to switch on your camera for our photo sessions. Belle, are you there?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, smile everyone.
Okay, everyone ready? Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, one more time.
One more.
One, two,
Okay,
three.
1, 2, 3. All right.
Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, thank you again, Technologist Mahentaran Nagarajan, for answering all those questions and for the interesting presentations. It was a pleasure to have you with us. So this concludes our webinar session today. On behalf of APTT committee members, we appreciate your presence. Just a reminder, whoever not scanned yet for today's attendance, please do and scan it now for its certificate purpose. Okay, we hope you have learned and enjoyed this knowledge session very much. Thanks again for joining us today, and we will see you next time. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
And it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie when I still watch you closer.